Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka the Market Man, and with me, as you can see funny face, Saka, Jesus, and you can see Solo P. Yeah, if you've been following Solo P for some time now, you should be familiar with these two people, their face. And personally, I have been following up that blind date myself, and I've been seeing the way this man is running his mouth. This man runs his mouth anyhow, like he can beat. But unfortunately, the last video I watched, in wife I be woman wey get, a woman wey get the one beat am. So all the mouth wey dey run, wetin you use am do?
Snowman.
You no get explanation. We will find out. So right now, we want to play one game like this now. And the reason why I bring una up on this show today. So we're about to play a game, and anybody wey win, see the rule of the game here. We have our whistles here. You understand? We get Gary here. This Gary now, if you fail, you go still chop Gary. Make you no be like say we leave you behind. You understand? People will win the game, get things where they go chop here. You will fail. See your Gary here, you go still chop am. Make you no be like say we leave you behind. Okay. So right about now, we're going to remove our clothes and then yes, so we come out our clothes.
Sharp.
The common clothes first. More the common clothes first.
This clothes won't come out.
The common clothes first. More the common.
Common clothes now.
Boom, boom, boom. Ready like never before.
I don't understand this now. Common clothes.
Ready like never before. Ladies and gentlemen, today is another beautiful edition of the Rubber Band Challenge. Rubber Band Challenge.
I know say you like comedy when Solo no go to tell me say one country for you.
Yes, now tell you say you won't see you na.
Now this year come with am be Rubber Band Challenge. I know they rubber anything abeg.
Who's got the body more?
I know they rubber. This Rubber Band.
See the rule of the game here. Now, I know if you don't watch this Rubber Band Challenge.
Baba, no, I know do. I bet me and Solo. I know they like this thing. I know they like this thing. I know they like.
Baba, wait.
You can't call me.
But Baba, wait. This Rubber Band Challenge na just normal game.
Olowa Giriwa. Rubber band yourself.
You know
Rubber band yourself.
Saka.
Rubber yourself.
Baba, leave. Afa funny.
If funny if you play the game, like why you no go fit play?
Funny, abeg. Where Rubber? Leave that.
You are up and buying funny.
Yes, so funny day up today to chop everything we get.
Funniest man ever living.
Yeah, funny. Come on, your Jesus chain so that the Rubber Band no go whip you too hard. Okay, beautiful.
Iman.
Now I go start to me, man. I just stay for behind. So where you go?
I start with you.
And this 1, 2.
Hey.
Campus. You game never start, don't they cry. Game never starts, don't they cry. Okay, like this, abi.
So now they do. Now we say we want to do another thing, and then I go come dey do another thing.
No wahala. Saka don't do again. No spoil our game. You don't want to play day. Funny. Come on, board. Let's leave phone. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. So let this see spoon. I bring spoon today. I beg anybody wey Gary. Person wey go chop garri, see servant dey for you. For person in case, even if na me go chop garri, servant dey. Oya, let the challenge begin. Oya, Ima. Yes, so. Wait, don't be like that. Do this challenge. Na lie.
Teach another person.
Wait till be that.
Teach the right person. I don't win my own.
Oya, no wahala. Oya. Oya, drop am, dey go. Oya, fall on board. Man, I need the next.
No, I'm
Yeah, what me today? No. Come on, stay, I mean. Man, what you want? You want me funny? Funny, go front, bro.
But We don't talk to you like this. So.
Don't be like that, man. They go first. And then we start. Just the start. Come on now, bro.
You ain't a drum, man.
I know they draw him. You want me to draw him?
No.
Oh, no, they make a draw.
Don't give me up.
Just stand, man. You know as they be now. This don't be something way hard. Just go front.
Hey!
Chop Gary. Chop Gary.
Chop Gary!
Chop Gary. Chop Gary. Now what you dey do?
Chop Gary well!
Chop Gary. Baba chop Gary. Chop Gary.
Gary back.
Go back. What's it? Yeah, give back. Go back. This guy. You know.
Yeah. I'm in there back.
I'm going to take them my back.
I'm in there.
Solo, I don't trust you. Solo.
Papa, you only enjoy for this too. I don't like him.
Where we solo, I don't trust you. Solo, I swear to God, I don't trust you.
Stand there. Go front. Go front.
Mama, do that like first. They say chop Gary. Jesus.
Chop Gary.
Chop Gary. Wait, I go chop Gary, guy. Wait, man, you chop him. Man, you
That's how you spoon in hand.
Now why I want you to chop
What
him?
do you?
Now why this one wey chop Gary chop him.
Chop Gary.
I go chop him.
Chop on where?
Chop Gary.
Chop Gary where now? Again and again.
Chop Gary.
No.
Let me now.
They mad.
Now me.
No, no be you. Fire away. Is that you fire, ba? Oh yeah.
See this man dey enjoy see.
You know chop Gary supposed to drink something now.
Fire! Support. You no blow am.
No. I don't say they pay them. You know who speak to you. Baba dey, which one be paying you? Pay you na which one pay you? You speak to you na what challenge you?
Look my back.
Who boy? Who boy? Solo, you wicked though, bro. See wetin you draw me for that guy. Baba stand now. What you dey jump around like that? Stand, go do something.
Wait,
Baba stand well, bro. I don't like this way they do. You know blood. Why come on whistle now? Why come on whistle? Why go try? Jesus, blood on you. See, you don't be the fool. I see you. You know if you talk again. Hey, who the next person? Na me. Just say na me. Now who go do me? You sure say na you? Bro, bless you carry me for mine. Bro, I don't like the way you carry me for mine. You can't push. Who do this thing as big as we just do together? We just come cruise. Now cruise will come cast. This is not something very serious. I don't collect your babe. Hey, moralete. Hey, God, you see blood here. You know easy. Bro, campus with my campus. Baba, you dey go apply the chair now. Come back. Now what for you? Now what be now?
Go first.
Hey!
No, no.
Campus!
This boy wicked. He do and two tak. Baba, he don't do. Don't do. Go. Jesus.
Oh yeah, now sharp.
So best friend no
Come
play
on, can't go to your bag. This is us.
So best friend no play no.
Give her.
Hey!
Do.
Umaya campus aya.
Hey,
God this. Solo P bad guy.
Oh!
Come on,
What the
Hey!
Come in your back. Just back on red.
Come on.
Back on red.
Yeah, my dog.
Come on, chop down, come on. Agriba, I'm going to go flog me.
Motibu, you never say anything.
Solo P.
Stand where. Agriba, come here, baby. He might go first now.
Oh, this was a guide though. Now guide him they do. It's apple. You say
Now, stand where now.
oh God, you say go won't keep
You
it.
say go now.
The person who will do one for don't die. Ah! Get down!
This thing don't destroy it, Lord.
Okay, let's not
Come
control.
on, don't play again, let's go chop.
Don't say no
Don't play
play
again, go chop.
Don't say no play again. I'm alive.
Now me,
Go line. Go line. Now you tell me say no one play again. Go line. Don't go line. Make fun of you want. No, go. Go line.
Go play, Agriba the chop, all of us chop. All of us chop, Agriba the chop.
No.
He dey follow him mouth. He dey follow Agriba mouth.
That's all I will play game. I don't fit play game finish.
Saka, come on for here.
Come on.
The best friend no play no.
Yes, because no play game no go chop.
Friend no play no job.